Solo pueden viajar si están acompañados por un adulto supervisor. La persona adulta deberá estar sentada en un asiento al lado del niño. Para la comodidad de todos nuestros huéspedes, no se permite...
the longest family-friendly roller coaster in North America, and unlike Bonsu, it does not go upside down at all. It will take you up 80 feet and drop you at 44 miles an hour. It is about 80 feet tall and will drop you at 44 miles an hour. We are now pulling up to our belt, so please remain seated at all times. Keep your arms, legs, and children inside of the train at all times, as the animals do have the